Glad you enjoyed the keyboard. For anyone who doesn't know what I'm talking about, this is a fully customizable budget creamy keyboard. It's got that typewriter type sound, those creamy keys, and it's fully customizable. Now, I like RGB. You can easily change it by just hitting these two keys. There's a bunch of RGB modes, and if you don't like it, you can just turn the RGB off with that switch. All right, and I know in the last video I said it was like 50, 60 bucks, but they just dropped the price even more. If you want to grab it, I put a link right there for y'all.